Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you when and why Claude Cowork stops to ask questions. So, as I said, in this video I will show you when and why Claude Cowork stops to ask questions, because it is very important that Cowork doesn't blindly execute every task. When something is unclear, so for example your prompt is too short, you asked Cowork to create a file, to create a presentation, but you didn't specify the topic of the file, the length of the file, the extension of the file, it can pause and ask you for clarification. So this is the very good thing that Cowork is doing. He is not doing blindly everything that he think is right, but he asks you for your approval. And in this video I will show you the example of how does it work. So let's move to the Cowork. First of all, in order to make it work, I think you have to go into this ask section. You have two options here. You have Cloud pauses, so you can approve each action. This option is enabled by default, and you have Cloud works without pausing for approval. If you have the second one, I think it will not work. So you have to go back into this first option. This option is enabled by default, but if you changed to the second one in the past, I recommend you to go back to this one. And now I will ask Claude Cowork a very simple prompt with basically no advanced information. So as you can see, I am connected to this Cloud folder. I will show you that here. So we have three files. We have the empty file, which is the markdown file, and two txt files. And I will ask model to rename file. So as you can see, I am not specifying anything. I'm not specifying the name of the file. I'm not specifying the extension of the file. So basically model should ask me which file you want to rename, how do you want to rename it. So this is how does it work. It will not rename the file, I would say randomly, with a random name, but it will ask me for clarification. So I will present that right now. And as you can see, I would be happy to help you with renaming a file. Could you let me know which file you would like to rename, what the new name should be. So I will choose maybe the file.txt. I will just answer this first question. So I will type in file.txt. What would you like to rename file.txt to? So for example, file2.txt. And now we are loading tools and actually running the command, because now AI model has all information that it needs in order to execute the prompt. And as you can see, here we have not a lot of information, so he is asking the question. He is not blindly choosing a random file and changing it into a random name. He's actually asking me to type in the name of the file and type here the new file name. And as you can see, even though I typed only one information, he's still asking me the second question. And after I answer the second question, this is when he is executing the command. So this is when Claude Cowork stops to ask you questions. Of course, you can test it with the creating a file, creating a presentation, and the other things. But it was a simple example for this video. And that's all. If you liked it, you can leave a like, you can subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.